Thank you for having me. My name is Dr. Nur Azman Abdul Majid. I'm the Director of English, Kaiwan University, UTM franchise. I'm here to talk to you about what it takes to become a university student, a freshman in a university. Of course, this will be my advice to all the students. First thing that you have to know is you have to know the university system, which system the university is using. There are different systems in the world, the semester system, quarter system, British system, American system, and so on. That is very important for you to know. Of course, you can get the information from the internet, from the university, and so on. Please read the information about the system first. You need to know that. Number two is university is not a high school. Because in high school, everything will be spoon-fed to you. The teacher will give you everything. In the university, you will be on your own. You have to do extra reading, extra work, and so on. You have to do your own research and so on. That is the difference between university and high school. University is not high school. Number three, learn to take good notes. Because you'll be listening to different lectures. You need to have a system of note-taking. And also you are going to read a lot of books, different books. You don't just read the book, but you have to take notes also, good notes. It's important that you have to learn how to take good notes. Number four, don't waste time. Because in the university, there are a lot of things that you have to do on your own. So don't waste your time. Try to fulfill your time with useful activities, reading, writing, getting to know the subject matter and so on. Of course, the next thing is do not be afraid to ask questions. We know in the first semester, students are very shy and they don't want to ask questions. It's very important that you ask a question to your professors, to your teachers and so on. They will help you. They're here to help you, and the only thing is they don't know what you don't know. Okay, so you have to ask questions. And of course, the last thing that you need to have, since this is a university, international university, you need to improve on your English. English is very important because everything will be conducted in English. The lecture will be in English. You have to improve your English. Your English teacher will help you to improve your English. Of course, those are the things that, some of the tips that I can give on how to become a successful student in a university. Thank you very much.